Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Jolina. I am doing a Herbalife shake today. So if you're interested in Herbalife, this is a video for you. Basically, I'm just going to make a quick shake, but I'm doing a little twist to it, okay? I'm going to add some stevia drops in it just to see what it tastes like. I've been doing Herbalife since 2012. I actually started out with mixing my shakes, and at that time in 2012, nobody was mixing their shakes. They were all looking at me like, you can't do that. But I thought, why not? So I called them mood shakes because that was the mood I was in. And so I called them mood shakes. But today we're going to make a shake that's a little different. It has no name to it yet. I'm going to do an Herbalife shake with some stevia drops. So let's see what that tastes like and come in and check it out. All right, so here we go. We got the cookies and cream. That is the healthy meal. And then with the protein mix, you put those two together and you have basically a whole meat of chicken right here. I've been doing a show on how I lose weight, and I dedicated myself to show you that you can lose weight with Herbalife or without Herbalife. Doesn't matter what way you lose weight and what way you choose to lose weight. It depends on the coach you choose and depends on your motivation of wanting it. After that, pretty much losing weight you can do in any way. This is just a way that I have found that I like it. I did it. I saw the results, and I'm just sharing it with you. Basically what you do is you're going to get 8 ounces of water. You're going to put some ice in it. I put the same amount of the height of my cup is how much ice I want, and the only reason is because I like mine thick. So the ice does make a difference in the thickness. How long you blend it for is going to be how much of the thickness is going to be as well. So 2 little pointers out there just in case you order this online and I'm not there to show you how you make it. This is how you make it. So you're going to do 2 scoops. I have to use the same scooper for both of them because my kids decided to play with it. But that's, you know, I'm a mom. Alright, so then here we go. So now we're going to do something unique this time. So let's see how it tastes with some stevia drops in it. This is going to be an interesting experiment of mine. I'm going to put I put 1 drop so far. This is what it looks like. Attention, I'm a superstar. I'll try 2 drops. This is Vita Vici in the background. If you haven't heard her, here you go, intro. Here we go. I really can't wait to see what this is going to taste like. I just mixed fruit punch with cookies and cream. This is stevia. It's from the plant. It's not bad for you. It's 0 sugar. I cannot wait to see what this is going to taste like on the shake. I can't wait. So let me tell you a little bit about this. There's a total of 9 grams of sugar. There's a lot of vitamins, vitamin D, calcium, iron, potassium. There's 300 milligrams of potassium. So this is like, instead of taking your prenatals, like you can do this instead. Vitamin A, C, E, B6, B12. That's a lot of vitamins. A lot. When I say a lot, there's a lot. There's 3 different ways of having this, and it actually tells you on here 3 different ways of calories.
like my skin tone. Bad man, and I like my fussy hole. Fire, fire, know you like my skin tone.
Alright, so let's see what this tastes like. I can't wait. If you've never tried this, don't first try it with my experiments. Try it the regular way. Order you some shakes, have it normal. After you have it normal, then you experiment with it, because I want you to taste what it actually tastes like before you start playing with it, okay? The difference between while I've been losing weight without Herbalife and with Herbalife, I would say, is 1, more dishes, 2, more ways of having to think. I had to find sauces that had no sugar in it. I had to find sauces that were with natural ingredients in it. I had to pretty much eat chicken all day, and vegetables and fruits and things like that, whereas this all is in it. And basically I have 2 shakes a day, 2 meals, okay? Then I'll have 3 snacks a day, and I'll have 1 main meal, and you can choose it between breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I personally choose my dinner as Herbalife because I don't want to overeat, so I usually have my main meal at lunchtime, which I'll still prep my chicken. The only difference is less chicken I'm using, but other than that, the vitamins is pretty much the biggest difference too. I'm not going to be lacking in the vitamins as to when I'm not on it. I don't take any vitamins. I just don't. I don't remember to take pills. I'm not one of those people that remember to take pills. I don't even take pills when I have a headache. So I'm just that type of person. So if this sounds like you, Herbalife is for you. If you don't want to make a big mess and having to clean it, Herbalife is for you. If you don't want to think about every day what you're going to eat, Herbalife is for you. If you are lacking in vitamins, Herbalife is for you. If you have a wedding in a few months, Herbalife is for you. If you are in a health risk situation, Herbalife is for you. Herbalife is not for everybody, and that's okay. I made a plan for you too. But if you want Herbalife, order with me today. All you gotta do is click the link in the description. Click it, click order, or Herbalife ordering, I think it says, or order Herbalife, one of the 2. Click that and order yours today. If you want to talk about it, talk to me about it. If you want to find out how I do my promotions, message me, ask me, and I'll help you out. Peace out, and let's learn how to lose weight together.
You want something less deeper 'cause you're over